What's up guys, welcome to another episode of our channel. This week's video about some new arrivals in our shop. Products from ADBL. We have 3 brand new products that are available on the market from this week. Then we have also 4 other products. We got them in stock about 2 months ago. So out of the 7 products, some of them products will replace older versions. We have also 3 new products that ADBL didn't have in the range before. So let's start from the 3 new ones that we got this week. Micro Wash Storm, Tire Coat and Wash and Clay. And then 4 products that we already have for a while. APC Typhon, Water Spot Remover, Tire Remover Tixotropic and Wheel Warrior Gel. So let's start from the products that we have already for a little while. First product, APC Typhon. Now APC, there's never gonna be massive revolution in those products. They're cleaners, they're meant to clean. Ideally if they're safe for surface and also if they don't irritate your breathing. This product basically will replace APC Pro. APC Pro is kind of well-known product, lots of you have used it. I use it for the last few years and it's APC that does all what I expect from all-purpose cleaner. Probably down the line I might do some tests about it, might show you results, what we can achieve. The next product is ADBL Wheel Warrior Gel. This product I'm gonna show you how it works in my wash bay. This product it's replacing the previous version of Wheel Warrior, which was in gel. Now in fairness, this when I sprayed it, it doesn't seem to be gel as well. However, I know for a fact that this product stays much longer on the surface compared to the previous version. I didn't personally like previous version at all because overall both of the products are acids. They are sort of mild acids with pH of around 3.5. Sometimes when we get cars with very bad sort of breakdowns on the wheels, I reach out for strong acids. Then the acids we use for really heavy tasks have pH about 2 and they work rapidly. Here we have wheel that is pretty bad, so let's see how this will work, how this product will work on this wheel. I cleaned this wheel previously with alkaline wheel cleaner. That's what we have left. The wheel was covered in dirt and all, so we have the general dirt removed. Now let's just deal with the breakdown. For acidic product, definitely doesn't smell like acid. It's a strawberry smell. There is tiny bit of strawberry scent from the product. It's kind of a nice thing for this type of product, but it doesn't smell very bad. Now I'm going to agitate the door a little bit. I just use this section for that, maybe a little bit inside. The rest I'm gonna leave all together and we see how much of the breakdowns will come off without the contact. So the product doesn't definitely work very quick, rapidly like the other acids I use. It does remove the brake dust. I'll rinse it off now and let's see what sort of job the product did. So it looks like the product works nicely, even on sort of worse wheels. Now if you get extremely bad wheels, I don't think this product will be the best solution because like on very bad wheels, sometimes even with the stronger acid, we have to spend like half an hour, let's say up to an hour for the set of wheels. So as we could see, the product works well. We left it for about 6-7 minutes. Where I agitated, it did really good job. Where I didn't, it sort of removed good bit of the breakdowns as well. It's not the strongest acid as we can see. However, it's much safer than some strong acids. So this product probably would be also good for DIY users, where if you use extremely strong acids, you always step into the field where the chance of causing some damage, some reaction is much higher. Of course, after using acidic product, it's always good practice to neutralize the surface. How to do it? Do your cleaning with the acidic product, rinse it off, then spray some alkaline based product, leave it for a few minutes on the surface and then rinse it off, and that will balance the pH of the acid product that you used. So overall, I'm happy to see the improvement on the product. ADBL seem to be working constantly on improving their products or getting some new products on the market. This product compared to the other one is much better, especially for the fact that it doesn't dry quick. In the case of the other one, to achieve this result, we would have to put more product on the surface. we would have to spend a bit more time, more agitation, where this kind of worked nicely. And also I know the product is sort of much safer than the strong acids you have on the market. The next product is tire remover Tixotropic. This product can be used sort of as a contactless tire remover. Also can be used as a normal tire remover that you spray on, leave for a few minutes and wipe it off. I thought that this might be huge competition to Vasco pre-wash, which lots of you know already. However, it's a little bit different. This product is not as thick as Vasco pre-wash. So one of the kind of pros is that it's easier to apply on the surface. However, because it's not as jelly, it sort of ruin good bit compared to Vasco pre-wash. Also, I might do some tests about it. I've already used it a number of times. However, personally, I still prefer the Vasco. Another product, this is the new product from ADBL, Micro Wash Storm. This product will replace the old version of Micro Wash. Now, this product is sort of more advanced. It's for cleaning microfibers, polishing pads, and also it's a restorer as well, good bit compared to the old version. Overall, I was happy enough with the previous one. It's very hard to do a test with it and show the result, but what I did, I just did little tests like this. The next one is the tire coat, tire dressing. This product replaces the tire dressing from ADBL that was previously with the cookie scent. This product has cherry vanilla scent. Let's see, kind of has nice smell as well. I wasn't a huge fan of the cookie scent. Overall for tires was nice. We'll see how this product will perform. When it comes to durability, I haven't tested the durability of this product yet. Overall, there's no point really to talk in general about durability of tire dressing on all the tires because they're all made of different rubber. Also, preparation of the tire is a big factor as well. Once you prep the tires well, dressing should last. We just apply on few tires here, we'll see how it looks. When it comes to application itself, what I know from the producer is like you apply it on the clean dry tire, leave it for minimum 15-20 minutes and then remove the residue. So here we have another product, ADBL Wash Clay. It's a car shampoo, pH neutral car shampoo that you can also use it as a clay lubricant. The dilution for this product as a car shampoo is roughly about 40-50 milliliters to 10 liters of water. As a clay lubricant, you mix it 1 to 10, so roughly 100 milliliters to 1 liter of water. So I'm going to use about 40 milliliters for the bucket. 1 cup is about 7 milliliters, so I use say 6 of them. Then we'll see how it foams up. So what I expect from good car shampoo is that it has decent cleaning power. Obviously pH car shampoo is not going to be a massive cleaner for very dirty surfaces. Main purpose of pH neutral car shampoos is that they don't strip last stage protection. Like if you have wax, sealant, coating, you use them shampoos to keep the protection on the car. Also, I expect that shampoo foams up well. It's very sleepy on the surface because like if you have shampoo that is not sleepy, the chance of causing tiny marks on the paint while you're washing the car is bigger. If shampoo is sleepy, that's very good. Another thing that I would expect from good shampoo is that the shampoo rinses off quick, because like there's no point me having shampoo that I will have to spend half an hour to rinse off the product from the car. So I'm just gonna test how slippery the shampoo is. I'm just gonna use a bit of shampoo. Like this car is very rough, like the paint is very rough overall. Let's see how it will work on that. The product definitely makes the surface nice and sleepy. There's almost no friction on the paint, even the paint is very rough. I'm happy with this feature of this product. Foam, there is enough foam, not too much as well. We have it for now for a little while. Foam doesn't seem to be dying quick. So let's see how this foam will rinse off now. So as you can see, the product rinses off nice and easily. There's not much time required for that. So like the product, I think is very nice car shampoo. Same as all other shampoos from ADBL. I wouldn't expect any less from this one. So now let's try it as a clay lubricant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix half liter of ready solution. So I just use 50 milliliters of the product. So obviously what we need the clay bar, we need the clay lubricant. What I always do before I use it, I leave the clay bar in the bucket with warm water, so the water softens the clay bar good bit. And then it's actually nice and easy to work. It's much safer than the block that you pull out from the front box. It does work well. It gives nice sort of slippery for the clay bar. I used car shampoos before. This one I would say is a little bit better from that perspective. However, if you like to use clay lubricants, dedicated clay lubricants, this solution isn't as good. It does work, but dedicated clay lubricant will be better solution if you want to have the perfect sort of lubricating for the clay bar. Would I use this product for clay barring? Absolutely I would. If I had car that is very rough, very bad, where we have to go hard with it, I'll use, let's say, this solution. If I have car that is sort of in very good condition, I want to minimize sort of friction on the paint, I'll go for the dedicated clay bar. And the example of that could be ADBL Sleepy. And the last product we have from ADBL, it's new product by them, it's water spot remover. Why would you need water spot remover? Overall, if you wash your car with tap water, there will be a lot of lime in it. If you don't have filtrated water, over time there will be lime buildup on your car. Especially we can notice it on windows. I'm gonna show you on this car. If you look at this window now, you don't really see much, but once you spray the water on the window, you will see it clearly. So basically, this is the easiest way to recognize whether you have lime on your windows. You spray water on, wipe it, and if you have this sort of result, that means that the window is covered in lime. If the window is lime-free, then you have clear view. There is kind of clear look of the glass. All of water spot removers that you will find on the market, they are acidic based. This product has about 3.5 pH. Overall, the product is relatively safe. You can use it on the glass, on the paintwork, on some other surfaces. However, be aware that any sort of acidic based product shouldn't be used on hot surface. You also need to control the time. So like in the case of this product, I leave it for 3-5 minutes maximum on the surface, and then I remove it by rinsing or wiping off. Overall, when we do this job, we always do it in our wash bay, so we give good rinse. However, we have the car here, so we're just gonna do this little test in here. So I'm going to spray the product on this surface here, agitate it with microfiber cloth, and also give it a few minutes, let the product to work, and we'll see what sort of result we will achieve. So it's about 3 minutes since we started with it. I'm gonna remove the masking tape and we'll see how water behaves now on this window. So as you can see, the product works well. We have clear difference between the window that is contaminated with lime and the one that is clean. To recap the video, we have 7 new products from ADBL. Definitely the water spot remover is a product that we already use and will definitely stay in our garage for our services. Wheel Warrior, I will pick for some wheels that they look kind of more delicate. I wouldn't say the chrome wheels or polished aluminum, but like sometimes you get wheels that they're powder coated, but it's sort of suspicious finish, if that makes sense. If they're bad, I'll use this product. APC Typhon, probably when I will finish off the stock of the APC Pro, I will definitely give a good going over to this product, well tested well. However, the fact that this product replaces the APC Pro, I wouldn't expect any less than the APC Pro offers. When it comes to Tixotropic, I still gonna stick with the Vasco. However, it's good solution for people that they want to do the job sort of same way as with solvent tire removers. The huge benefit of this product is that it's not solvent based, so it's much safer compared to the solvent tire removers. When it comes to the 3 new products, I will test them for a while, then I will be able to give the final judgment what I think about them. However, I wouldn't expect anything bad, as I no ADBL, they sort of work all the time to get better and better. So that's everything in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. If you like to see some tests of different products, let me also know in the comments, and see you on the next one.